don't like me, that's fine. But, you know, watch your mouth.
City of New York Police Detective Ebony Shante Willis should have watched her mouth. A New York State resident claims that in November of 2018, Willis unlawfully searched, falsely arrested, and falsely imprisoned that resident. The resident also claims that Willis provided the district attorney's office with false, misleading, and/or incomplete information that the resident committed a crime. All criminal charges against the resident were dismissed 6 months later. In a complaint filed in 2023, a different New York State resident claimed that in April 2022, Willis illegally searched and arrested the resident and then confiscated more than $13,000 worth of cash and jewelry. This resident also claimed that Willis knowingly and maliciously transmitted false, inaccurate, and/or incomplete information to the Kings County District Attorney's Office, falsely claiming that resident had illegally possessed weapons and drugs. After being held on Rikers Island and making several court appearances, all charges against the resident were dismissed. On April 10, 2024, Willis arrested an American national, confiscated several items, one of which was a rifle, and falsely reported to the district attorney that the national possessed an assault weapon. Willis, under oath, went before a grand jury and stated there were firearms recovered from the location. 37-year-old Ebony Shante should have taken her own advice. Pursuant to New York state law, a firearm is defined as an assault weapon. An assault weapon is defined as a semi-automatic rifle, and a semi-automatic rifle is defined as any repeating rifle, which utilizes a portion of the energy of a firing cartridge to extract the fired cartridge case and chamber the next round. Luckily, the statutory definitions don't change as much as Ebony's wigs, unless Miss Ebony, who also goes by Eb the Stallion, fired the alleged assault weapon. How did she know it was an assault weapon? Maybe she's psychic, or maybe she should learn to
Watch your mouth.